In this example, I will demonstrate how to customize your toolbars, menus, and keyboard shortcuts. First thing we need to do is to open up the Customize dialog. You can either do that by right-clicking on any toolbar and selecting Customize. If you don't have a toolbar open, you can click on the File button and select Customize from there. So once it's open, then we can decide what we want to do. In this case, I want to add the new AI MAXTools Duplicate Assembly option to my toolbar. So I'll just bring that over here, drag it on, and it's ready to go. If I don't want it there, I can either move it around, I can just drag it off and let it go, and it disappears, but I want to put it back over there. So you can do that with any toolbar and any group of commands. You just select the command group and then the desired command and drag it onto your toolbars. You can also from here customize your right-click menus. So in this case, maybe I want to have my regular right-click. I want to change that. We can see what's there already. And I can go into my commands, go to AI MAXTools again. This time I want to do the AI Set Viewport Up direction. That allows me to rotate the viewport so that we don't have any of the jaggies like we see right here. We'll look at that in just a minute. And if we could do the same thing with dragging things off of the menu if we want to add other commands. You can work with your context menus. So we go back over to menu here and change our pre-selection part, for example, and maybe we want to change this or to add to this the AI Max Share functionality, so we can easily duplicate a part once we've selected it. And maybe we want to do the Circular Elements command as well, because I use that one a lot. Now the last thing we want to look at is customizing the keyboard. We can select again our group here. We'll select the AI MAXTools group, AI Bisect, and we want to be able to say use Control-Shift-B to activate the AI Bisect command. We hit Assign. It says that it's up there. That's great. Now we'll just click Close, and it writes all of those customization files. And now if I right-click here, I get AI Set Viewport Up direction. I can select that, just specify this edge or that face, and it immediately sets my up direction. And if I do a Control-Shift-B, we can see that it starts up the AI Bisect command, and then any 2 points that I pick, for example, the center of that circle and the center of that circle, we can now see that it would have passed that bisecting point directly to our current command. And that's all you need to do to customize your environment.